Welcome back, Crew Empire. I'm Justin.
And I'm Brennan.
And we're Team Bohn.
And today we're doing a race to 6 with the brand new Brunswick Quantum Evo Response. Let's do it.
You're going down. Oh, you're going down.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Not when I can do this.
It's a good thing that one didn't count. Roll the opening. All right, race to 6, brand new Quantum Evo Response, the replacement to the Quantum Evo Pearl. I was a huge fan of the Quantum Evo Pearl. The only thing that's different, this one has the HK22 additive in the cover stock. Super excited for this one. I threw my Quantum Evo Pearl a lot. I knew he threw his Evo Pearl a lot. And race to 6 today, Motel 6 Roller Riches format for those little throwback. Dad won. And another Bohn is going to win a race to 6 format today. It's 3-1 in the series. I think it's time for me to get a win.
I think we'll let you start today.
All right, cool. Thanks.
Good luck.
Good luck.
May the worst bowler lose.
Yes.
So it doesn't matter if we both throw 6 shots. If he throws all 6 strikes first, he wins. It doesn't matter if I striking all 6 of mine, because he went first.
It doesn't?
Nope.
Interesting. So you have no redemption?
Nope.
I'll take that. Point for Justin, no point for Brandon.
You know, what's really great about this lovely sport that you're watching right now, he threw his, not so great. I threw mine, really great.
I threw mine great. They all went down. Just
I got 9, and he struck.
That is 2 for Justin.
Just come back. Come on.
0 for you. So, love the colors on this one. I think it looks absolutely incredible. Really good follow-up to the Quantum Evo Pearl. The HK22 cover has been a hit for all the balls that have had it throughout its time of being in existence. And I'm excited to see it on the new Quantum Evo Response after the follow-up to the Evo Pearl. But, you know, as much as that all matters at some point, the only thing that matters right now is I'm gonna strike and be up 3-1 over Brandon. Oh, come on. I think you dropped this.
Yeah. Whatever.
Either way, I'm up 3-1.
All right, 3-2.
Gotta strike first.
Come on!
Oh, get away with one.
It must be good if you have 4 in a row.
I like what I see so far. And that's 4-2. Justin's in the lead.
You know, had that extra hold, grab, and then release. Kind of like what Justin's gonna do right here.
That wasn't any extra of anything. That was, I forgot to put a hand on the ball and I got half of them.
It's like you went back to one-handed.
Yeah, I did. I dropped that one off my thumb. Still 4-2. Appreciate the bonus shot.
Maybe like a 3-1 was a little too much.
You think?
Yeah, we're going on a fresh Rev Rates house shot from 2022.
Yep. I will say what I'm seeing so far, the spot that the Quantum Evo Pearl did fill, this is what is actually going to replace that spot in my bag for me. That big asymmetric pearl that does hook a lot.
Since you're talking, I'm gonna go.
That's not...
Come on.
It really sucks he didn't take advantage of that one, because if he was good, he would have. But since he's not, he didn't. So I'm going to take my regularly registered shot, not out of turn, and throw another strike. line. I will say this ball is probably going to be better used once the pattern has developed a little bit. As I move in and need a stronger ball, it's still going to shape, but get through the fronts. This ball is right out of the box for me, and because of that, the pattern hasn't been developed like you just said, it was fresh. So, keeping that in mind, as he fails to strike again, this ball is probably going to get a little bit further down the lane than I want to at the moment. But I do think after, a couple of games are bowled, this ball is really going to come alive. Do you agree with that?
Yeah, although I'm not throwing a lot of strikes, I do like what I'm seeing. I have confidence that it will hook. And when I move to the right, I can just throw it to the left and it will get there.
I thought that was okay. Last two are really quick. That one was a little bit slower. Didn't move my feet. But I am still up 4-2. And now 4-3.
And we're on the same shot. Actually, I think I'm one ahead with.
You do have an extra one because you threw a cheap shot.
Well, you said race to 6.
Oh. At least that was closer. Guess now I got to get back on it.
What's even more crazy is Justin started with a front 4 and threw it one-handed, forgot to open his eyes, took his glasses off, and threw one good.
I'm just one away. Just keep that in mind. One away. Oh, good shot. Follow through is right over your right shoulder, by the way.
Hey, Ryan Simonelli, I hope you're watching because that looked like you.
So if I strike this one, you're done. And I'm now back to 3-2 in the series, right?
Well, you need to strike first.
Well, I'm gonna strike.
You've thrown 1 in the last 5 that's been convincing. You have gotten 5 twice. This could go anywhere.
So like I said, they still haven't developed as much as I would like to be throwing this ball, and the main purpose for this one. But I did get bonus life there as he didn't strike again. So 5-4 in the race to 6. For all the marbles. I don't have much in this pocket, but I got something in this pocket. Wait, hold on. No, I got a little something in this pocket, a little something in this pocket. They combine for a dub.
Whatever.
Big dub
Whatever.
for me.
You win some,
Big dub
you lose some.
for me.
And tonight, I was just trying to, get this challenge thing closer together.
Oh, really?
It's now 3-2. But I will say, brand new Quantum Evo response. You're not going to want to miss it because it does shots like this.
Quantum Evo response.
And shots like that, one-handed and two-handed, it still strikes. Quantum Evo response coming out soon at your local pro shop.